Next is exercise 6.4, question number 8. A gardener has 1,000 plants. He wants to plant these in such a way that the number of rows and the number of columns remain same. Find the minimum number of plants he needs more for this. So let's solve the sum. So here the gardener has 1,000 plants. Number of plants equal to 1,000, which is not a square number. Our question is how many plants he needed to get a perfect square number. Means he wants to plant in such a way that number of rows equal to number of columns. So that we want to find the square number. So 1,000 is not a square number. We have to find the next square number and we can subtract this. We will get how many number he needed. So first of all we have to find the square root of 1,000. So 9 is the perfect square number, less than 10. Write the square root 3 times. While adding get 6. 1, write the square number here. Next do 0. So we can write 1 here multiplied by 1. Here also write 1. Here 1. 100 minus 61, that is 39. We are getting the remainder here and we know that 1,000 is not a perfect square. That means 31 square is less than 1,000. Less than 32 square. 32 square will be 1,024. Clear? So he has 1,000 plants. How many more plants he needed so that it will make a square number? Both rows and columns will be equal. So we want this square number. How many plants he needed? So we can write the step like this way. Number of plants needed more equal to 32 square minus 1,000. That is 32 square is 1,024 minus 1,000, which will give 24. So he needs 24 more plants to get a square number or in a such a way that equal number of rows and columns should be there. Next is exercise 6.4, question number 9. There are 500 children in a school. For a PT drill, they have to stand in such a manner that the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. How many children would be left out in this arrangement? Let's solve. Given total number of children equal to 500 and the children are arranged in such a way that number of rows equal to number of columns. So we can assume the number of rows is x. Number of rows we are taking x so that the number of columns will be equal to x. So total number of children is the number of rows into number of columns. That is x into x. Also given total number of children is 500. Hence we get x square equal to 500 or x equal to square root of 500. So here we have to find how many children would be left out in this arrangement. We can remove how many children so as to make the whole children as a square. In that case, we have to find the square root by division method. So we can find the square root of 500 by division method. First of all, we made the group. Take the first group which is not a square number. So the perfect square number Less than 5 is 4 and its square root we will write 3 times. Add the divisor, we get 4. Here it is 1. Write the next group down. If we are writing 42, we have to multiply it by 2. If we are writing with a 3, it is more than 100. So we can go with a 2. So we can write it 2 3 times. 42 into 2 will give 84. Subtract it. 16. The remainder is 16 here. 16 is the remainder. That means to get a perfect square number, we have to subtract, or with the children to be left out will be 16. So we can see that number of children to be left out equal to 16. So that we get 500 minus 16 equal to 484, which is the perfect square number, and its square root is 22. So our question is, to make such an arrangement, how many children would be left out? So the number of children to be left out equal to 16. That is 16 children to be left out from the arrangement, so that number of rows and columns will be equal.
Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.